Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Dum Aloo. It's a gravy made of small potatoes which is very popular and tasty. This is a restaurant style dish that should be surely tried. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make baby potato gravy. Here I have got half a kilo baby potatoes. Wash it thoroughly. Put 2 slits so that the salt and spice will get into it. Add some salt to the water. Boil it for 10 minutes. You can also pressure cook for 1 whistle. Potatoes are done. Turn off the flame. In a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Add boiled potatoes and fry until the skin gets brown. Potatoes are done. Now remove it from the pan. Into the same pan, add 2 onions roughly chopped. This is 1 big tomato. Add 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Saute until the tomato is mushy. Tomato is nice and soft. Now turn off the flame. Grind this into a fine puree. Into a pan, add a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. To this, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute this for a while. Add the ground paste and cook this for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this for a while. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Kashmiri chilli will give a nice red color to your gravy. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Kashmiri chilli powder will turn dark brown if you fry it for a long time. Saute this for a minute and add 2 cups of water immediately to retain the color. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until the raw flavor goes away. In this stage, add potatoes and simmer it for 5 more minutes. Gravy is done. Finally, add a teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Just crush it and add it. This will add up extra flavor to the gravy. Half a teaspoon of sugar. You can also use honey. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Combine all this really well. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and give a mix. Before serving, add a dollop of butter, some fresh cream and dried fenugreek leaves. Simple yet most delicious potato gravy. Serve it hot with Indian bread and variety rice. Do try this in your kitchen and share this recipe with your family and friends. Also, share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more interesting recipes, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.